I'm not gonna lie, look how bomb that looks. And the cat ran by. It looks amazing. So I did it for 40 minutes, breast side down, and then I flipped it over and did an additional 20 minutes. And I think it was all between 350 and 370. Tons of color, the skin's ASMR moments, crispy AF. Ow, the cat, Did you guys see that? Oh, she is a witch. She just tried to jump on me. Like, I'll give you dry food in a second, you psycho. Ugh. Well, anyways, my chicken's done. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna let it rest, and then we're gonna make our again, camera time with Nick is unwell, and I apologize about that. We're gonna quickly make, I think, we're gonna make a gravy in the air fryer, which I'm very excited about. Because I think this would be really cool. You can cook, maybe I'll do a whole air fryer cooking series and like, see what else I can cook in an air fryer. Maybe I'll bake in an air fryer. YOLO, we'll see.